wants to speak आएंगे सर.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much sir for this give opportunity. I am going to talk about city. First of all, my name is Farhan Sharafat. I am from UP, but currently I stay near Daryaganj. First of all, city provide education. What is the education? Education is a knowledge, and city provide many things, and as I like अभी जाके क्या करेंगे
देखो बोल रहे बोल लेने दीजिए. Do you want to speak English? Don't you want to? Why, ma'am?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Prachi. My topic is family. Family is a very important. I have a wonderful family. In our society, two type family. First, nuclear family. Second, joint family. Joint family is a big family, or nuclear family is a small family. In nuclear family consists of husband, wife and children. And joint family consists of grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, sister, brother and children. I live in joint family. Thank you, sir.
क्या बात है. And now anyone who wants to come here to speak English language, sir, please come here, sir. Mr. Farhan, please come here, sir. डर लग रहा है. सर जी हिम्मत. सारे सुना के गाओ सर जी.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon.
Hello, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm great.
Great. So, I hope you are well. So today is my topic, mobile. What is mobile? Mobile phone is an electric device. You know, so, if you in this world we can't survive without mobile. So mobile is very important for all of us. So you want to become a IS officer, so you can watch video, you can watch video, and like mobile providers there are so many videos. So mobile is very necessary for all of us. So thank you for listening me and affording me.
Listen to me very carefully. If you are afraid from people, if you feel fear from people, if you don't want to remove your fearness to speak English or speak in public, so you can never improve yourself. If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak in public, if you have fears, you can't build your confidence. Do you know one thing? Just build your confidence, speak English language. I am going to invite, hello sir, Mr. Sharif, please come here, sir.
Hello friends, good evening. Thank you so much for all of you. Yeah, why not? Yeah. So very good evening to all of you, and we are very happy to gather in the park of Rajghat. You know, is a famous park for the Mahatma Gandhi, and is a Shola that is situated in underside the Rajghat. Okay, and lots of persons from all over India and all over the world, like English, British and Canadian also, and all over. We are seeing here in this park all over in India. That is means Indian persons. Okay, so. And now we are gathering here, why? For building our confidence, making our confidence, and that time we are learning spoken English in any institute. I have joined a lots of institutes, I think 4 or 5, but now I have succeed in this institute. Name is Canopus Institute. I am also a student like as you are is learning and speaking English. That means now we are speaking here, or we are thinking, if I am not able to speak English in front of person, so persons what will see about me? I am not good in English language, that is not matter. But if you are speaking in front of the persons like little a bit speech, that means you are making yourself confidently person and confidential. So after some time when you are coming again this place, so that time you will very feel and proud of you. When I came here before that I was not able to speak English, but again I came here and now I'm speaking English in front of persons, and all persons are is laughing at me. That means they don't know. If they are listening your word, that means they know about you. Okay, thank you so much for listening.
Now we don't have much time. Now Mr. Mohim sir, now you just देखो दौड़ के आ गए भाई साहब अपने मन से स्टार्ट सर.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Mohim Akhtar. I am from Bihar. I have no any topic, so I will give a self introduction. Yes, sir. Self introduction. I am doing. I am living in Delhi. I am from Bihar, and I am doing job in Arogya Hospital, Chitra, Bihar. And I am OT technician. And I learned English in Canopus Institute. I did not prepare any topic, so I can't speak anything. Thank you so much. Shortcut mein.
हेलो कम यार इधर आओ जल्दी. हाँ 2 ही मिनट बोलना ही है, 10 मिनट नहीं बोलना. लड़कियां खड़े होने में कितना.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Manpreet and today my topic importance of English. Yes, English in this generation English is most important because without English we can't do we can't do any work, and English is international language. English is international language, and English is most important because without English we can't do conversation with anyone, any person, and we can't do any purchase any product without. And sir was